Plants and animals, two of nature's oldest companions, are locked in an intricate web of relationships that shape life on Earth. From the quiet grazing of herbivores in the wild to the vibrant dance of pollinators among flowers, every interaction tells a story of survival, cooperation, and sometimes deception. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of plant-animal relationships. How some animals rely on plants for food, how others assist plants in reproduction, and how nature has evolved remarkable partnerships, such as ants defending acacia trees, or birds dispersing seeds over vast distances. But not all relationships are as they appear. Some plants have turned the tables, capturing and digesting animals to meet their nutritional needs. Let us explore some of these relationships. Firstly, we look at herbivores. Herbivores vary in type based on how or which part of the plant they consume. 1. Grazers. Grazers feed mainly on ground-level vegetation such as grasses and herbaceous plants. They often have flat teeth, adapted for grinding tough plant fibers. Cows, sheep, and zebras are classic grazers, commonly seen in grasslands and pastures. 2. Browsers. Browsers feed on leaves, twigs, and soft shoots from shrubs and trees, often reaching vegetation that grazers cannot. They typically have narrow snouts or long necks, which are suited for selective feeding. Giraffes browsing on acacia trees and deer nibbling on forest shrubs are examples of browsers. 3. Sapsuckers. These herbivores use specialized mouthparts to pierce plant tissue and extract sap, which is rich in sugars and nutrients. Their feeding can weaken plants and sometimes transmit diseases. Aphids and cicadas are well-known sapsuckers in gardens and forests. 4. Nectar feeders. Nectar feeders consume sugary nectar from flowers and often play a vital role in pollination. They typically have long tongues or feeding tubes adapted for accessing deep floral structures. Hummingbirds, butterflies, and honeybees are frequent visitors to blooming plants. 5. Stem borers. Stem borers are usually insect larvae that burrow into plant stems to feed from the inside, disrupting nutrient transport and often stunting plant growth. Their presence can go unnoticed until the plant wilts or breaks. 6. Chewers. These herbivores feed by biting and consuming leaves, flowers, or stems, causing visible holes or defoliation. They have strong mandibles or jaws adapted for grinding plant material. Caterpillars and grasshoppers are common chewers in both wild and cultivated settings. 7. Pollen feeders. These animals feed on pollen, which is rich in protein and may incidentally contribute to pollination. Some species specialize in pollen, while others consume it alongside nectar. Examples include many bees and certain beetles. 8. Fruit eaters, or frutivores. These animals feed on ripe or unripe fruit, and often help in seed dispersal by excreting seeds away from the parent plant. Their digestive systems are adapted to handle high sugar content. Examples include carraroo, the New Zealand wood pigeon, toucans, and fruit bats. 9. Seed eaters or granivores. Seed eaters consume seeds, often cracking them open with strong beaks or teeth. While they may reduce a plant's ability to reproduce, some also aid in spreading seeds that escape digestion. Sparrows, finches, squirrels, and some ants are seed eaters. 10. Gum eaters, or gummivores. Gummivores feed on plant gums or resins, often tapping into tree bark to access the sticky exudose. These substances are rich in carbohydrates and provide a stable food source. Examples include some species of marmosets and bush babies in tropical forests. The second type of relationship we want to explore is the cooperative relationship between plants and animals. Animal pollinators are attracted to flowers, first by a reward, usually sweet nectar, and secondly by an advertisement, like the odor, shape, or color of a flower. The reward is located in such a way that the animal cannot get it without also being covered in pollen. Animals that serve as pollinators include insects, such as bees, butterflies, moths, wasps, beetles, and vertebrates, such as birds and bats. There are many reported occasions where a stinging ant colony will guard a tree. They will attack insects and browsers, and will even chew through seedlings that attempt to grow near their tree. Some animals find protection by living among thorns, such as certain birds that nest in cacti. The third type of relationship is a form of exploitation where plants consume animals. These occurrences are not very common. Although some flowers will trap unsuspecting insects overnight to ensure they become covered in pollen, before releasing them in the morning. The true insect eaters, such as the Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, and sundew, trap and digest insects to extract nitrogen from their bodies. They usually live in areas where there is no humus, such as high in a tree or on volcanic rocks, or where there is not much oxygen, such as a bog. Oxygen is needed to run the nitrogen cycle. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon with another science video. Until then, happy learning.